Welcome to 5 Star Car Wash. My name is Bill Proestler. I own 5 Star Car Wash and Detail Centers. We have 2 locations, one in Fairfield and also in Vacaville. We offer complete detail services. We're primarily a full-service car wash where we do the interior cleaning, vacuuming, clean the windows, and we also have an option where you can just get the exterior wash where you're in and out of here in less than 10 minutes. Please visit our website at 5starwash.com, and you can also download our app for special offers.